Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locating the file you will remove, find the full path, and confirm the running Python environment. Once done, create a quick backup copy so you can restore if needed. Make sure to stop any processes using the file, otherwise you may get permission errors. Now open a small Python helper script in the same directory so you can run the deletion command safely from within the environment rather than relying on shell tools. In the helper script, import OS, and when removing directories, import shuttle. Check existence with OS. Path. Exists path to avoid exceptions, then call OS. Remove path for a file. If the target is a non-empty directory, use shuttle. rmtree, path, but pause, this permanently removes contents. You should wrap calls in try/ except to handle permission error and OS error. Use print statements to confirm successful deletion, so you know the operation completed without silent failure. After running the deletion, immediately verify with OS. Path. Exists path to ensure the file is gone. If something went wrong, restore from the backup copy you made earlier and inspect logs or exceptions. If you encounter permission error, change file permissions using OS. chmod or rerun the script with the correct user privileges. Sometimes processes lock files, so stop related services first. One quick troubleshooting tip. If deletion fails repeatedly, check that no process is holding the file open and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.